Okay, now exercise 1 star, page 363. I'll start to solve number 2. The problems I'll take as a classwork 2, 5, 10 and 11. Start with number 2. I solve on a paper with you. Okay, look here. 4 minus x square, I have a square minus a square. So I can open two brackets like this. Factorize the difference between two squares by opening two brackets. The square root of 4 is 2 here and there, and the square root of x square is x here and there. One positive and one negative. Which I'll put positive, which I'll put negative. The order will not differ. Okay, like this. And then now I'll take the denominator x plus 2 multiply another x plus 2 like this. Now I can cancel x plus 2 up with x plus 2 down. So the answer will be x minus 2 over x plus 2 like this. So this is number 2, exercise 1 star, page 363. Okay. Now I'll solve number 5. In number 5, we have fraction contain 3r square plus 6r minus 45 over 3r square plus 18r plus 15. Okay. I'll open two brackets up to factorize these three term quadratic. Okay. Oh, but in the beginning, before I open brackets, let's start it another time. I'll rewrite it again. Okay, here, number 5. Again, we have 3r square plus 6r minus 45 over 3r square plus 18r plus 15. Attention! In the beginning, we can take a common factor from upper terms and lower terms. Between the upper terms, I have 3, 6 and 45, so we can take 3 as a common factor. Then open brackets, 3 squared divided by 3 equal r squared. Positive 6r divided by 3 equal positive 2r. Negative 45 divided by 3 equal negative 15. And down 3, 18, 15, we can take also 3 as a common factor between them. Open brackets, 3r squared divided by 3 equal r squared. Positive 18 divided by positive 3 equal positive 6r. Positive 15 divided by 3 equal positive 5. Okay, by this way I have 3 up and the 3 down, cancel them, give me 1, and I start to factorize the 3 terms up and the 3 terms down like this. I'll open 2 brackets up and 2 brackets down. Now r square will be r and r. Negative 15, so I have positive and negative. 15 comes from 3 times 5. 5 is bigger, so it will take the positive sign as middle. So 5 and negative 3. Down, I have r square, it will be r here and there. And the 5. 5 comes from 5 times 1, not else. And all of them positive, so it will be positive 5 and positive 1. Now I have the same brackets up and down. Cancel them with give me 1. And the answer will be r minus 3 over r plus 1. This is answer number 5. Now, I am still in exercise 1 star, page 363. I'll solve number 10. In number 10, I have a cubed minus ab square over a cubed plus 2a square b plus ab square. Attention, I said we have to factorize in the beginning. Up, I can take a common factor, which is a, but I can't take b because I have b here and don't have b here. So I'll take a with the least power. Okay, open brackets, a cubed divided by a equal a square minus ab squared divided by a cancelled with a, and what's left? B square. Close the brackets. Let's take a common factor from the denominator. I have a on both or on all terms, so I'll take a with the least power. Open brackets, a cubed divided by a equal a square plus 2a square b, so it will be 2ab plus ab square divided by a equal b square, like this. I didn't finish. I can simplify up and down. In the beginning, cancel a with a. Now, a square minus b square, difference between two squares. So open two brackets, the same, one positive and one negative. Here a and a, b and b. All this work, we took it in grade 8. And here, I'll open two brackets. A square comes from a times a. B squares comes from b times b, and here positive, so it will be like this. Cancel a plus b with a plus b. What's left? A minus b over a plus b, and this is answer number 10. Exercise 1 star, page 363. Let's solve number 11. The same exercise 1 star, page 363. In number 11, we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 32 over xy minus 2y. جميل. I'll take a common factor from these three terms, which is 2. Open brackets, 2x squared divided by 2 equal x squared. Positive 12x divided by 2 equal 6x. And negative 32 divided by 2 equal negative 16, like this. And down, between these two terms, we have a common factor, which is y. So open brackets, it will be x minus 2. Now, there is nothing to cancel up and down. I'll keep them. But these three terms will change, factorize into two brackets. And down y, x minus 2, like this. What I have to do up, I factorize it. X squared comes from x times x. And we have negative 16, so it will be positive and negative. 16 comes from 4 times 4. But I want the sum is positive 6, so it will be 8 and 2. The 8 will take the sign of the middle, so it will be positive, and 2 take the negative sign. Now I have x minus 2 cancelled with x minus 2, and the final answer is 2x plus 8 over y, like this. This is the last problem in our lesson today. Simplifying algebraic fraction. Okay, I solve it with you. Number 2 from exercise 1. I solve it example. I solve it number 5, number 12, okay, number 10, and so on. Okay, study well. The left problems from both exercises, from exercise 1 is homework. Okay, thank you, best wishes.